doing out here today. We had a little accident. The 5-ton had a flat on one of the big fatties. So the boys up to Boyce Equipment brought us a couple tires, and we're gonna get them babies mounted. Going this way with it.
I told you they work.
What am I going to do when I get squished by the tires? What I want.
Let me get it up in the air before you get it all the way off.
Here. It's making me nervous. You going to go high enough?
That's what I want to find out.
Oh, it's a 9-lug. It's a Ford 9-lug. I mean 7-lug. It's not gonna fit. Dang it, boys. Why would you do that to me? Should we sleaze them?
Yep.
Okay, it's on the back of the truck on that side. Isn't sand like Loctite?
A little bit.
Little sand and a little anti-seize. Isn't that right? Sand and anti-seize will keep them tight for life. Or maybe the anti-seize counteracts the sand.
My question is, why did you get 2 tires out here?
Huh?
Why'd you bring 2 tires out here?
'Cause I'm going to put them both on.
Well, hell, you can do it at the shop now.
About that, boys and girls.
You did say floor jack, just so you know. That's not a floor here.
Dirt jack.
Yeah.
The jack.
It doesn't roll around very good.
We're going to go ahead and mount another tire on the left side here just because we can. We have a spare. So we'll have 2 nice spares for that. We'll put that one in the shed for the rainy day fun. And past it.
Yeah. Don't jump too far downhill.
Yep, sure we can. Come on, Harry Larry.
I'm just balancing that.
I'm just trying to be the muscle.
You're the muscle.
I was supposed to be the brains. We all know that went out the window a long time ago.
That's why I make the fat old guy do it.
Yeah, make that. He can't hurt very much worse tomorrow than he did.
Where are you going?
Well, I'm gonna get ran over if you're not careful.
Let's walk it in again.
Okay.
There you go.
Those lug nuts grab a lot more meat than them others. Them are some
Yeah,
big
the others are just barely stubbed out, or stubbed inside, most of them.
Anti-seize. The gift that keeps on giving. Don't know which way it goes, do you?
Yeah.
It's all confusing.
I didn't know this was gas pipe.
All right, so we're back on the road again with the old 5-ton. All right, we'll take the old girl for a spin and see how she does.
It's ready to go again after that.
Appreciate you guys. Thank you a million.